Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy M01. Now I've purchased the version with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. I've previously opened this box and I have to say that it didn't come with earphones. So do not expect earphones on this box. Now we have some paperwork, the phone itself. Now from this charging brick, I believe that this is made for the Indian region. We also have the SIM ejection tool here and the standard micro USB cable. Now let's take a look at the phone. We have the dark blue color with dual cameras on the back, flashlight, and on the right side we have the SIM tray, the power button, while on the bottom we have the micro USB port and microphone. On the left side we have the volume buttons, and on the top we have the headphone jack. Now let's turn on the phone and take a look. Now I'm gonna set everything up and we're gonna go straight to the menu. Okay, so now the phone is turned on. As we can see, we need to install a few apps, and you already know that the first thing I do, go on the welcome menu. I go straight to software update to see if there is any updates available. And as we can see here, the latest update is the security patch of 1 August of 2020. Now let's do a quick size comparison with the A01. On the A01, the Samsung branding is in the middle of the phone, let's say on the top, while here on the M01 is on the bottom. Basically it's the same layout, and even in the buttons we have the same exact placement, as you can see, but in hand M01 feels heavier than the A01. Now let's see, on software information we see that we have One UI Core of 2.0 and the Android version is Android 10. Now let's see the memory here. We have 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Now on storage we only have 22GB available. If you want to free some more space on your phone, you can disable and uninstall most of the apps like Samsung Members, for example, or Netflix, or some other app. Now let's open the camera and see the modes. We have panorama, we have the pro mode where we can play with the ISO, the white balance, and the brightness of the photo. We also have live focus. We have photo and video mode. The rear video size has a resolution of 1080p. Also, the front camera can do 1080p. Okay, so we don't have a wide angle mode here. The second lens here, it's really a depth sensor, not a camera, but it serves for portrait shots on live focus mode. Now basically this is the exact thing as the A01, but has different internals, different specs from the A01. This A01 has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, while this is slightly better. Now I paid around 125 euros for this phone, while I paid for this 115. So the difference is 10 euros, or let's say around 12 or 13 US dollars. But I would recommend you, if you want to go for a cheap small phone from Samsung, I would recommend you go with the M01 because of better internals for a slightly expensive price. Now there is nothing much else to say actually, so I want to end this video now. So I want to thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you on the next one.